Ghar Tiranga, Har Ghar Tiranga. A beautiful slogan given by Dr. Pramod Sawant in Goa for us. And it's a very touching moment for all the Indians in India as well as in the whole world. The captions I read, one is one nation, one emotion, one identity. It would be very nice if Dr. Pramod Sawant could continue this legacy of one nation, one emotion, one identity. But can we have this with a lot of divisions in our nation based on states, based on religion, based on castes? So I hope Dr. Pramod will work on this so that we can really, in the real and true sense, we have as one nation without any subdivisions. Second is one emotion he is talking about. Dr. Pramod Sawant, I will request you, how can this we in India have one emotions when almost 90% of the people are not ultra-rich or neo-rich people? Only around 11% people are ultra-rich. So how can the emotions of the rotten rich or the ultra-rich and the poor people who have no meal to eat for a night be the same emotions? Third is you talk about one identity. How? How are we going to have one identity when we are being recognized on the type of clothes that we wear? So all these things will need to work together, all of us, so that we really in true sense have one nation, one emotion, one identity. Har Ghar Tiranga is very beautiful. But Dr. Pramod Bab, I would also add to it, Har Ghar Nokri, Har Ghar Bhakri, Har Ghar Makan. I also want to add in one slogan, very old saying, Har Ghar Roti, Kapda and Makan. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Goa. And also to all my brothers and sisters here, I wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you very much. Dev Bare Karu.